Hello, boys and girls. This is your language arts lesson for Wednesday, May 20th. You're going to begin your lesson this morning working on the final syllables un and chur. So you are going to read the poster, circle 3 misspelled words and 1 with a capitalization error, and then write the words correctly. So there's a poster here. You're looking for the words that are in this box and this box. So let's look at the directions again. There are 3 words in the directions that are highlighted. They're in bold print. Read, circle, and write. So that's what you're doing. You're doing 3 things. You're going to read, you're going to circle, and you're going to write. So if you forget the details, reread these directions. On the bottom, you are going to circle the word that is spelled correctly and write it. So you have 2 choices. You're going to circle the correct one and write it. Next up, you are going to work on page 515. You are working on drawing conclusions. So you're going to read, ask, and answer. See, read, ask, and answer. Read the story. Ask yourself what is happening. Answer each question. So you're going to read this short story and then answer these 4 questions about the story. Note that number 4 has 2 lines. They're expecting you to write 2 lines in that answer. It asks a question and it asks why. So I want you to make sure you're using that word because in your answer there. Okay? Now we're going to go back and think about the main selection, the story we read called A Birthday Basket for Tia. And let's read these critical thinking questions. Cecilia put 6 things in the birthday basket. Would you put the same 6 things in a gift basket? And explain. So think about it. The girl, Cecilia, was selecting those items very carefully based on her relationship with her aunt and based on the things that they did together. So think about it. If you were making a basket for someone, would you pick those same things or would you pick other things that meant something to you and that person? Question number 2, why do you think the author wrote a story about a birthday basket? So here we're wondering about what the author's purpose was. So next up, Pat Mora wrote this story and The Night the Moon Fell. How are the plots and settings of these 2 stories alike and how are they different? And which story do you think she enjoyed writing more? And why? So these are just some things I want you to ponder. I want you to try to answer them to yourself. Did anything in the story confuse you? What questions did you ask yourself while you read? So there were a bunch of Spanish words in the story. Perhaps some of them could have been something that confused you, and maybe you asked yourself, what do these words mean? Maybe you were able to figure out the words by using the sense of the story, otherwise known as the context. So now we have look back and write. Look back at page 440. Why does Cecilia put a flower pot and a teacup in the basket for Tia? Provide evidence to support your answer. So that's something I want you to think about. We're going to answer that question in writing later in the week. So what I want you to do today is just start thinking about it. Perhaps look back at the story to answer it yourself. And now this is the author, Pat Mora. Though Pat Mora grew up in Texas, she came from a home where both English and Spanish were spoken. When she started writing books, Ms. Mora realized she wanted to write about an experience as a Mexican American. It was like opening a treasure chest, Miss Mora says. My whole Mexican heritage was something that I could write about. Miss Mora tells students to write about what they love, She says the trick is how we bring everything that we are to the page. Everything. Next up, we're going to do a page about prepositions. And I thought you guys could use another little video to help you sort out exactly what prepositions are. So watch this video.
Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn words that tell us where things are. Our friend Chester will help us. Where is Chester? Chester is in the box. He's in it. The cat is in the box. And now, where is Chester? Chester is in front of the box. He's in the front. The cat is in front of the box. Where is Chester? Chester is next to the box. He's next to it. The cat is next to the box. Where is Chester now? Chester is under the box. He's under it. The cat is under the box. Where is Chester? Chester is on top of the box. He's on top of it. The cat is on top of the box. Where is Chester? Chester is between the boxes. He's between them. The cat is between the boxes. In the box. In front of the box. Next to the box. Under the box. On top of the box. Between the boxes. Let's see how you'll be getting out of there, Chester. See you around.
Do you want...
Okay, so we're going to complete your lesson today by completing page 516 in your Readers and Writers Notebook. Prepositions and prepositional phrases. Mark the letter of the preposition in each sentence. So let's take a look at number 1. We'll do that together and then you'll do the rest on your own. Number 1, we bought wrapping paper from the store. So where did they buy the wrapping paper? Is it we, from, or store? Well, the preposition there would be from. Okay, yeah, that's what you're doing. You're going to finish this page and that's it. I'll see you guys at the Zoom meeting. Bring me any questions you may have, okay? Bye.